Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in 147 countries. This is Bruce Sia, Asia #1 home-based business coach, and I'm wearing another of my network marketing shirt. You see, it's like a net, and we are all connected. So you don't have to know everyone, but you can know someone who are here, who knows someone, who knows someone, who knows someone, who knows someone, who know this very powerful business builder that can help you make a few thousand or even 10,000 or more a month. See, we are all connected. So you don't have to know this powerful business builder, but you know someone who knows someone who knows someone who knows him, right? So I'm the author of 3 best-selling books on network marketing. Break Free, There is a Way, There is a Better Way to Earn a Living. First edition sold out, second edition sold out. And Why Network Marketing also sold out. How to be successful in network marketing also sold out. So all my books are sold out, and I'm looking for a good publisher to republish them, and I'll donate 100% of the royalty fees to feed hungry children and to build wells to provide clean drinking water. So I'm also looking for a good network marketing company that is willing to sponsor the publishing of this book and use the proceeds to help feed hungry children and to build wells to provide clean drinking water. So I have 63 ebooks at Amazon.com. Go to Amazon, and 2 paperbacks. One of the paperbacks is 108 success tips on network marketing. The other paperback is how to make your first million in network marketing, and they are selling for $19.97, and the ebook version is $3.99. So go to Amazon.com, key in my name Bruce Sia, and you see the list of my books. So I have a very special offer for people for the month of November. When you invest in any business builder package, and that's the promotion by the company, you get a special business starter kit special offer. Instead of $29.95 or $49.95, if you live in USA, it's US $1. So that's the special promotion. And when you join my team, I also have a special promotion for the month of November. So this is coming from me for the month of November. Any business builder package. For those of Singapore, you get the physical silver ingot, 1 ounce of silver, or the coin, very beautiful coin. This is the American coin, and this is a Canadian coin, Canada. So isn't that beautiful? 99.9 silver. Very nice sound, and the gold, the sound from the gold coin is very sounds much better. So, but it's not just about, okay, and if you live in another country, if you don't live in Singapore, then I'll send you $50 Singapore. I'll convert to US dollar and I send to your PayPal account, right? So this is a worldwide promotion. And why I'm doing this, because I just want to get people out of their to help them to think out of the box and to help them make a simple decision. And that is why I give a 90-day risk-free 100% money-back guarantee. If you follow my instruction, step-by-step instruction for 90 days, and you do at least 2 presentations a day, and you cannot make at least double of what you invested in the business builder package, I'll return 100% of your money. And that is working the law of averages, right? It will never fail you. So I'm very happy to make this offer. And network marketing offers you a brilliant, proven, and very effective marketing system. And I've coined it into a thought-provoking term to get people to think. It's a brilliant, foolproof, and field-proof money-making system. You see, businesses are money-making systems, one way or another. The monetary system is a money-making system. It has made many of the bankers rich, anybody that's involved in the banking industry, they make money from this money making system, right? So I majored in economics when I was at the University of Washington, so I understand economics and the law of demand and supply. So two success factors if you want to create great wealth: you must be able to reach millions of people, right? Leverage. And Jeunesse Global give you a very powerful e-commerce platform to reach millions of people. And you must give an irresistible offer. How to earn money 24/7 in 147 countries for as little as 8 cents a day. That is an irresistible offer. And you can earn two streams of income. It's $29.95 a year in most countries, $49.95 a year if you live in USA. So it's either 8 cents or 14 cents a day. And you can earn two streams of income. When people go to your website to buy, you can earn the retail profit. When they buy the sign-up packages, you can earn $25, the retail bonuses, to $250. Very good returns for a daily operational cost of 8 cents or 14 cents a day, right? So that is why it's an irresistible offer. Of course, for the business builder, you want to earn to 6 streams of income, then you get the business builder package. Lead by example. The best form of leadership is leading by example. You must walk your talk. You can't ask people to do what you're not willing to do. So if you're a business builder, get the business builder package so you can ask the business builder to do the same, right? This is really impromptu. I just had my shower, put on my network marketing shirt, and I said I want to give an irresistible offer, right? I love coins. I've been collecting silver and gold coins. Right? So what can I say about network marketing to get you to get involved, either as a business builder package or basic package, or even as an associate member for the minimum of $39.95 or $49.95. It's an idea whose time has come. The integration of network marketing with internet marketing is an idea whose time has come. Like Victor Hugo said, nothing, not all the armies of the world can stop an idea whose time has come. A very good example is the internet, right? Now easily more than half of the world's population are on the internet. So e-commerce is booming. And when you're with Jeunesse Global, you leverage on 3 major hot trends: wellness, beauty, and e-commerce, right? So it's so wonderful because I come a long way, 27 years, and this is my signature statement. I know the business like the palm of my hand. Internet marketing, 21 years, 27 years, 21 years. So this is my irresistible offer to you. Whether you get the business builder package, the basic package, or the associate membership, $29.95, $49.95, you tap into my wealth of knowledge and experience. And not only that, over 27 years, I invested more than $100,000 to learn from all the successful entrepreneurs like Tony Robbins, Jay Abraham, Mark Victor Hansen, Robert Kiyosaki. And also, I invested over $10,000 to learn internet marketing. So I used to post the picture at the back of Mark Victor Hansen with me, but I got it right here with me. Very soon I'll put it back. And why I blew up the photo, that was 20 years ago. We like to blow up photos. That's me with Mark Victor Hansen. That was in Las Vegas in the year 2000, 20 years ago, right? So 20 years ago, that's how I look. That's how Mark Victor Hansen looked. And he's very special to me. He's one of my mentor and coaches. And he's the one that inspired me to become an international speaker. And I've trained and inspired thousands in 11 countries, starting from Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, Myanmar, Vietnam, Nigeria, USA, Hong Kong, Philippines, and New Zealand. 11 countries. Please watch my video. I have 52 videos to give you clarity what is network marketing and how you can be successful in network marketing. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and learn, right? The more you learn, the more you earn. That is Warren Buffett. And he said that the best financial investment is in yourself. The more you learn, the more you earn. So, and it's brilliant. Why it's brilliant? Because you'll be leveraging on thousands of people, and then you simply switch stores, right? So you're not asking people to spend extra money. They're already easily every month $300 to $500 or more on their body, on their face, on their hair. So the whole idea is simply switch stores, learn how to turn your money expenses into money passive income. Instead of buying from other stores, you buy from Jeunesse Global that offers you a brilliant, foolproof and field-proof money making system, right? And some people worry, oh, do I have to sell products? And I always share the cooperative club concept. In Singapore, we have the NTUC cooperative. That means they have many supermarkets, and the members, they go there and buy, and they have to wait 12 months they get 4% rebates. Whereas in network marketing, you can earn 10% or more every week. You can earn 10% or more every week instead of waiting 12 months and getting 4%. So many, they don't know what they don't know, right? If they know the power of network marketing, they want to be a member, they want to do network marketing. It's such a brilliant concept. That's why I say it's a brilliant, foolproof and field-proof money making system, right? I already covered the brilliant part. So I've covered this in my viral report, but I'll cover it right now. Why is foolproof, right? You don't have to be smart to simply switch stores, right? You don't have to be smart to understand this idea of leveraging a brilliant, foolproof and field-proof money making system to achieve financial freedom, right? You don't have to be smart to share a simple viral report, a viral video, right? And it's field-proof because you're working with a proven marketing strategies, and you're working with 5 universal laws that will guarantee your success. And how do you leverage on these 5 universal laws? The thing that you have to do is you got to keep on sharing the viral video, viral report, or the great opportunity over a cup of coffee. Keep it simple, 25 minutes you do. At the training, we teach you how to do the 25-minute presentation. And just keep on doing it, and you'll be successful, guaranteed, right? The law of cause and effect. When you keep on sharing the opportunity, you're planting the seeds. What you sow, you shall reap. The law of cause and effect. What goes around comes around in your business and your life. And you'll be working the law of averages. Some will, some won't next. So the law of cause and effect, the law of attraction. What you constantly think and feel passionate about, you attract certain people, events and things to you to help you achieve what you want. Because you've been constantly thinking of it passionately, you create a powerful magnetic force. So this is something metaphysical where people find hard to understand, but you don't have to understand for it to work. Just like you don't have to understand how the television works, just turn on the switch. You don't understand how the lights work, just turn on the switch, right? Yeah. You're leveraging on system all the time. The electrical system can be quite complicated. The electronic system can be quite complicated. You don't understand how your smartphone works, just follow the instruction and you're leveraging on the technology, right? Right, just a good example, the computer, right? You just need to key in the right keys and to get the things going. That's it. You don't have to understand the operational process, you know. So okay, law of cause and effect, law of attraction, law of giving and receiving. The more you give, the more you receive, and sharing is giving. So when keep on sharing the viral video, viral report, the business opportunity over a cup of coffee, you're giving. The more you give, the more you receive. And it will never fail you, and you're reminded of this wonderful law. When you breathe in, you must breathe out. And when you breathe out, you must breathe in, isn't it? If you don't believe, try breathing in without breathing out. Or you try breathing out without breathing in. So when you give, you receive, and when you receive, you must give. This is the law. So if you want to be prosperous, you must give. The more you give, the more you receive, and not necessarily in monetary terms. It can be time, effort, your knowledge, your experience. Like what I'm doing now, I've uploaded 52 YouTube videos to share with the world. No secrets. What is network marketing and how to be successful in network marketing? And people are buying my books at Amazon.com because of my sharing, right? So when you give, it comes back to you, right? The law of averages, right? I give a very good example in one of my video, all the casinos in the world, they respect the law of averages because they understand that you cannot lose all the time. That's why they have the bet limit at the games, right? And the law of multiplication, right? All you need is a few good leaders. It can happen 1 to 3 years, or be a bit slow, 3 to 5 years, to help you earn 10,000 a month. I've seen it again and again, so many. I said I've been in the business 27 years, right? So what I'm giving you is realistic time frame, 1 to 3 years or 3 to 5 years. 10,000 a month is achievable for most people, right? If you want to earn 100,000 or more a month, then you got to put lots of massive effort. You got to do what the top leaders are doing to earn that 100,000 a month passive income, right? So it all boils down to your level of commitment, money, time, and consistent effort. So back to my offer. If you're not in Singapore, you get any business builder package. I'll send you 50 Singapore dollars. So if convert to US dollars, I think it's about, should be around about over $30 US. And then if you live in Singapore, you get the physical silver ingot, and they're worth about $50, right? Right, Canadian and maple, and this the eagle coin, US coin. So take action. During my time, nobody offered me silver coin. I just follow instruction, do what the leaders told me to do, right? So very important, you must be teachable and you must be willing to do what the leaders do. So love, learn, leverage, and live your dream. Love is very important. It's the greatest power on earth, right? So, and obey God's great commandment. So in everything, do to others what you would have them do to you, for this sums up the law and the prophets. By obeying this great commandment, you have good health, happiness, peace, and prosperity. Peace is the greatest wealth. That's why Jesus is known as Prince of Peace. So besides talking about network marketing, I'm also evangelizing. So if you want to know more about Jesus and how God has transformed my life, please let me know, and I'll share more over a cup of coffee. And the coffee is on me because I love to share. So love, learn. You learn from successful people, right? Remember, if you want to be successful, you must learn from those who are successful. That's why Warren Buffett said, the best financial investment is in yourself. The more you learn, the more you earn. And you leverage a brilliant, foolproof, and field-proof money-making system to achieve your dream, to achieve financial freedom. And then you live your dream, and I'll definitely see you at the top. Remember, click on the button to join my Jeunesse Global family or to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Love, learn, leverage, live your dream, and I'll definitely see you at the top. Take care and God bless you.